How does it really feel to put on this La Mer eye concentrate that's worth more than $200? Let's talk about that. Hello, welcome to Bare Skin Act, where I give you honest reviews of skincare products on my bare skin so you can make your own decision. Today, we are reviewing this eye concentrate from La Mer. It is a half-ounce straw that's retailing $245, so certainly not cheap. But how does it really feel, and is it worth the money? Let's dig right into it. I have the product right here. It is a half-ounce straw and opens very nicely, holds very well. It's a heavy glass-made jar, and this is the product that looks inside. You can see very creamy, very heavy texture, almost definitely not liquidy. Coming with the product is an applicator that I have right here, and I really do love this applicator. It has a heavy end on one end that is used to apply product around your eye contour, and this is what I do. Morning and evening, twice a day. Use this applicator, dab a tiny bit of product, just a sheer layer, about that much, and then I always apply it from the end of my eye, the tail of my eye, to the front of my eye or the corner of my eye. I learned it from early on that you never want to do it from the other direction, which is what most people do, I think, like this. No, you don't want to do that because that's going to actually aggravate the fine lines or wrinkles you already have. You always want to do it just the other way around. So I have nothing on my face right now. It is just a clean, dry skin and around my eye area. And that is the perfect place where you can start applying. So what you really can see is it blends very well. And I can tell you, this almost like a massage tool does not hurt your delicate skin area around your eyes at all. This is just perfect. And that's really what I do. That's how much product you need. And I'm already halfway through, and I think I've been using this for at least 2 months now. So it can certainly last more than 3 months or 4 months. So let's do the other eye. Again, applying a little bit of product, and let's do it from the outer side of the eye to the inside. Blends in really well and absorbs. And what I really do like is it does not have any residue. So I have to say, that really is it. Simple as that. I have to say, if you smell it, it has a kind of a grassy smell, which is what the key ingredient is. It's a sea kelp, or the miracle broth, as you can find on their website. So now, I can tell you how I feel right now. Because I'm using the applicator, it actually has a cooling effect, which is extremely refreshing. That is what I need right now. And as for the product, it does not have any residue. It's extremely creamy. Now I just feel like my eye contour area are hugged with this luscious layer of product. I understand that a lot of people have issues with La Mer, and if you actually go on their website, the reviews aren't that great. I think they may have changed part of their formula to make it a little bit more irritative or something like that, because that is one of the biggest complaints that people have right now. I have never had problems with La Mer products, and I have to say that I have a dry skin, dry to combination skin. So dry skin works perfectly under La Mer products, because for people who have used their products, they are extremely rich and extremely moisturizing, and that's really what they're trying to do. So their products work really well for me. As for the price tag, I almost never pay full price. Why? Because I always get these products from outlet malls. If you go to Woodbury, if you in New Jersey, if you live in the West Coast, go to premium outlets out there in the cosmetics company, you can almost get them for 30 to 40% off, and that's what I highly recommend. Spending $245 on just this one jar that would last you at most 4 months, personally, I think it's a little bit of a splurge. I will spend that money if I want to treat myself, but if you want to continue using it, if you find it useful for you, I would recommend getting it from an outlet mall. Just make sure you check the expiration date. Ladies and gentlemen, that is today's Bare Skin Act. La Mer Eye Concentrate is a 4.5 out of 5 for me, and I'm curious to hear what you think. See you next time.